Shipping containers have revolutionized how we transport goods across land, sea, and air. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about shipping containers, how to choose the right shipping company, and what you can expect during the process. Transporting a shipping container is easier than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to getting your goods safely from one place to another. Your first task is finding a reliable shipping company. Whether you're working with a freight shipping company or a vehicle transport company, ensure they specialize in handling shipping containers. Next, you need to decide whether to go with a shared container or rent your own. Shared containers are more affordable, but may mean your items are transported alongside other goods. Renting your own container ensures your items are safe and gives you more control over what's inside. If you're shipping a vehicle or valuable items, a private container is the way to go. Once your shipping container reaches its destination port, you'll need to pick it up. Many shipping companies will have a truck ready to transport your container to your desired location. If you're shipping internationally, you may also have door-to-door delivery options. You can ship a variety of items in a shipping container, including furniture, household goods, machinery, vehicles, building materials. However, certain items are prohibited, such as... Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more useful tips on shipping and logistics. Safe travels for your goods.